Welcome to the future of accessories. In today's video, we're showcasing the top 5 AI-powered smart necklaces you need to check out in 2025. These innovative pieces combine style with cutting-edge technology, making them perfect for anyone looking to stay connected and chic. Tune in to see which ones made the list. Number 1.
Gosh, I'm out of breath. We made it. Woo! I don't know how to woo very good. That's fair. All right, let's go.
Let me show you how to game, bro, okay? Oh, come on, come on. Oh, let's go!
Are you serious? Come on, man. I hate this game.
Take notes, baby.
Oh, man, you guys suck.
Bro, you look like the back
Let's
of the
go, let's go.
Dude, what? How did you do that?
I know the effects are crazy. It's dank. I could eat one of these every day. Oh, sorry, I got you messy.
It's really nice up here. How'd you find this place?
I don't know. I just kind of like to come up here to be by myself. I've never brought anybody else. I mean, besides her.
She goes everywhere with you, right?
Mm-hmm.
Guess I must be doing something right then.
I guess so. We'll see.
Number 2.
The Plod Note Pin is a good idea. And while I'm sure you have millions of good ideas, the worst ones are the ideas you can't remember. That's why we've designed a wearable memory capsule. Barely noticeable until you need it. Whether on site or in a conference room. The Note Pin doesn't just record meetings, take notes, and capture ideas. It uses AI to sort the mountain of information into well-organized transcripts with speaker labels, clear, searchable summaries, professional templates, meaningful action items, and even beautiful branching mind maps. Need to recall something specific? Ask AI to search for what was said to retrieve summaries and insights around keywords, or just that one idea you forgot. Lightweight and wearable as a wristband, necklace, clip, or pin, the Note Pin can go wherever work takes you. It's like having a personal assistant or a second brain, so that you spend less time doing this and more time on what really matters. Plod Note Pin is a good idea. Your wearable AI memory capsule.
Number 3. Number 4.
We live in a world full of anxiety, worry, and chaos. Now is the time we desperately need a solution to fight against and protect ourselves from the stressors and sleep deprivation. Stop that. This world's smallest neurostimulator, AmmoFit S, is the upgraded version of Ammo Plus, designed to be worn as a necklace or clipped to your clothes. 2 years ago, we launched our first wearable device for improving sleep and demonstrated both safety and effectiveness of our technology with over 2,000 backers and customer experiences. The device has advanced touch buttons applied and is very simple to operate. Mild electromagnetic signals from AmmoFit S stimulate the vagus nerve in the chest, rapidly activating the parasympathetic nervous system. And this non-contact neurostimulation technology, which didn't exist before, is effective within a 9-inch radius. The device has 2 modes. It provides calm mode for improving the body's internal balance in green LED, and focus mode for activating alpha brainwaves in blue LED. It's also very easy to wear. Let this 13-gram featherlight device stay with you anytime, anywhere, in your daily life. The effectiveness has been scientifically proven in 3 clinical trials under strict conditions. Our goal is to delay the physiological aging process and extend healthy life expectancy by recovering the body's innate healing ability through biohacking of the nervous system. This amazing wearable device helps you get rid of sleep problems, anxiety, and stress. It will also improve brain health related to memory and creativity, and enhance your life by correcting the body's internal balance.
AmmoFit S. Leading a healthier life.
Number 5.
In the last 2 weeks, Friend became the largest open source AI wearable community in the world. With thousands of builders, we now see how much value it can bring into your daily lives.
From a real-time language translator, to a music learning assistant, to the ultimate audio notes experience. Our open platform and thriving community allows anybody to bring their ideas to life.
Starting today, you can pre-order Friend on Kickstarter for just $39. We're excited to see what the community can build.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content.